Over here you can see that I have a photo, and now let's turn it into a moving photo. And to do that, you can go under over here in the enhance menu, and over here you can see moving photos is an option. If I were to go around and click on it, then moving photos option pops up, as you can see right here. And over here on the right hand side, there's different type of moving photo effects that you can choose, and you can see the preview of it over here as well. So let me just go around and utilize the zoom in and out effect right here. Let me just double click on it. And then what happens is that it'll analyze out the photo, and then it'll apply out the effect onto the photo that is opened up right here. So it is generating a preview for zoom in and out, as you can see. So it does not actually applies the full effect, but it generates out preview so that if you are okay with it, then you can export it out. And one thing to note is I kept the 3D effect on, and that is why it actually analyzed the photo. And you can see that the zoom in and out effect analyzed out the subject right here and then applied it out. So here you can see that the roses are moving at a much different rate right here. The background is moving at a much different rate, just like this. Let me just go around and turn off the 3D effect, and then what happens is that it generates out the preview again. And now let's see how that actually turns out. So the 3D effect is not there anymore. So you can see it is just doing out a plain zoom in and zoom out for the picture. Let me just go around over here and turn on the 3D effect right here. And now again, what happens is that it'll go around and then apply the zoom in and out effect with the 3D effect turned on. It analyzes out the picture, as you can see. Let me just go around onto tilt down right here, and let's see how that looks. And you can apply out the effect that you wish. So it's generating out the preview right here, just like this. And now the tilt up and down is here. And as it goes up and down right here, you can see that the subject moves at a different rate, the background moves at a different rate, and so forth. Similarly for counterclockwise and clockwise right here as well, tilt up and down, tilt up, whatever you may have right here, you'll have the same effect right there, just like this. So let me just go around over here onto pan left right here, and let's see how that looks. So I'm going to go around and double click. As you can see, I've already done that. Now it is generating a preview for the pan left, and you can see that this is the preview result. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this out. So I'm going to click on export right here, and now I can choose the location. So I'm just going to select my desktop right here as the location and save it as moving image example right here. So once I do that, I'm going to hit the save button, and it'll save it out on my desktop. Here you can see the moving image. So if I were to double click on this, then you'll be able to see the moving image effect right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can use the moving photos effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.